Integration is a antiderivative of a function. So the differentiable function f of x, capital F of x is equal to f of x. Here f of x is a primitive function because differentiable. So the integration of primitive function d of x means integral of f of x dx is equal to f of x plus c, where c is the constant of a integration. The fundamental formulas in Cengage. The first formula, power formula. Integral of x power n dx is equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. So c is a constant. So where n not equal to minus 1. Integral of 1 by x dx is equal to ln x plus c. Integral of e power x dx is equal to e power x. Integral of a power x dx is equal to a power x by ln a plus c. Integration of trigonometric functions. Integral of sin x dx is equal to minus cos x plus c. Integral of cos x dx is equal to sin x plus c. Integral of secant square x dx is equal to tan x plus c. Integral of cosecant square x dx is equal to minus cot x plus c. Integral of secant x tan x dx is equal to secant x plus c. Integral of cosecant x cot x dx is equal to minus cosecant x plus c. Integration of inverse trigonometric functions. Integral of 1 by square root of 1 minus x square dx is equal to sin inverse x plus c or minus cos inverse x plus c. Integral of 1 by x square plus 1 dx is equal to tan inverse x plus c or minus cot inverse of x plus c. Integral of 1 by x into x square minus 1 dx is equal to secant inverse of x plus c or minus cosecant inverse x plus c. Basic properties of integration. A general property, integral of k into f of x dx is equal to k of f of x dx, where k is the constant.
2. Integral of f1 x plus or minus f2 x plus or minus and so on fn x dx is equal to, we can split it for individual functions. Integral of f1 x dx plus or minus, integral of f2x dx plus or minus and so on, integral of fn x dx.
Evaluate the function integral of 1 plus x whole cube by square root of x dx. Integral of 1 plus x whole cube by square root of x dx is equal to 1 plus 3x plus 3x square plus x cube, expansion of 1 plus x whole cube. So the integral of 1 plus 3x square plus x cube by square root of x dx is equal to 1 by root x plus 3x by root x plus 3x square by root x plus x cube by root x dx whole dx. There is equal to integral of x power minus 1 by 2 dx plus integral of 3 into x power 1 minus 1 by 2 dx plus 3 into x square 2 power 2 minus 1 by 2 dx plus x power 3 minus 1 by 2 dx. Integral of x power minus 1 by 2 dx plus 3 into x power 1 by 2 dx plus 3 into x power 3 by 2 dx plus x power 5 by 2 dx. There is equal to integral of integrating the given functions x power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by minus 1 by 2 plus 1, 3 into x power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1, 3 into x power 3 by 2 plus 1 by 3 by 2 plus 1 plus 5 by 2 plus 1 by 5 by 2 plus 1. Solve the above equation. We will get 2x power 1 by 2, 3 into 3 by 2 by 3, x power 3 by 2, 3 into, so x power 3 by 2 plus 1, there is equal to x power 5 by 2, and 3 by 2 plus 1 here 5 by 2, it is get the 2 by 5, and x power 5 by 2 plus 1, x power 7 by 2, 3 by 2 plus 1, it is 2 by 7 plus c. Next question. Evaluate 2 power x plus 1 minus 5 power x minus 1 10 power x. Solution. Separate the both terms 2 power x plus 1 by 10 power x dx minus 5 power x minus 1 by 10 power x dx. There is equal. You have to write the 2 power x plus 1 is equal to 2 power x into 2 power 1. So 2 into 2 power x by 10 power x write as a 2 into 5 whole power x, that is equal to 2 power x 5 power x dx minus 5 power x minus 1 write as a 5 power x by 5. So 5 power x by 5 into 2 into 5 whole power x dx. That is equal to integral of 2 power x cancel, 2 right outside. So 1 by 5 power minus x, 1 by 5 power x is equal to 5 power minus x dx minus 1 by 5 right outside, 5 power x 5 power x cancel, after we will get 1 by 2 power x dx. 2 into 5 power minus x dx minus 1 by 5 into by 2 power x right as a 2 power minus x dx. So a power x dx, integral of a power x dx is equal to a power x by ln a plus c. So there is equal to 2 into 5 power minus x by ln 5 and minus right of front minus 1 by 5 2 power minus x by ln 2 minus right front, it will plus. Next there is equal to minus 2 5 power minus x right as a 1 by 5 power x, 2 power minus x right as a 1 by 2 power x. So minus 2 by 5 power x ln 5 plus 1 by 5 by 2 power x ln 2. So our final conclusion,